Hello folk again, and today I have received a really cool item, and this is a Wi-Fi smart switch. So you can control it with your mobile phone, mobile app, and it should be quite cool thing. So I'm impressed with the packaging. It looks very promising, and let's try it, open it, and review it, and test it out. So we have here maximum current to 10 amperes and 200 and 200 watt. This will be really cool, which is a lot. So you can control it even I don't know, some heating device. So let's try to do test with the lamp. So uh, what we have inside, this is yeah, I forgot to tell you that this is 290 to 250 volt AC powered. So okay, I will test it and you will see how it works. A really nice switch itself, and we have here, oh, the manual switch. I hope, yes, I hope that they are not only in Chinese, they are in English too. So great stuff, and quite a lot of manuals for such a small thing. That's really nice, and all labeled, and pictures everywhere, so you can use it right away. And okay, this is the switch itself. So you can connect it here to the to the load, and here it's output. So let's try to test this. So yeah, now it's plugged on and it's blinking. So okay, let's try to open the app, and yeah, of course, I don't know, some Chinese letters, and here is in English pairing. Okay. Power up the model and press the pairing button for 5 seconds, and then the LED indicator blinks twice. And okay, let's try. Okay, now it's blinking. Now for test, we think we can open it up and close it. So this the switch work. Now we have to try to connect it and do that with the app remotely. This really is a long time pairing, but okay, it's recognizing and pairing with this unit, so it will take a 3 minutes, it says. I don't know what happened, but it didn't make to connect, it didn't success, so I don't know why, but I tried again. Yeah, maybe now we will be able to do something like it has best. So let's try edit successfully. So light and yes, things works. So this model can be in any place in the house which is a range of Wi-Fi, and then you can remotely press it and turn it on with your mobile app, and maybe or anything you can open and close any device. Now right now we have a light for the test, but uh, any device in your house, you can now control it with your phone, which is so great. Look at it. And now even the model, it's ready. It look it's the LED light is lighting, so it's illuminate constantly. So now device is ready and it really works nice. Great stuff.